Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Well, I want to talk about this idea that trend trumps your news events. I know a lot of traders, they get very anxious leading up to a major uncertain news event, okay? And they start to think, oh, what if it's positive? I should do this. Or what if it's negative? Should I do this? Now, what I would say to you from a trading perspective is often these news events, even if they're unexpected, aren't trend changing events, okay? Very rarely. And the reason the trend is your friend is because it tends to overextend where it's going in line with that trend than your expectation may be. So that being said, let's take a look at this CPI data. Now, I was looking at this US dollar, both fundamentally and technically right now is weak. It was putting in lower tops and bottoms on the daily. So I'm moving into CPI data event saying to myself, well, unless I'm short US dollars, that is my bias. That is the direction that I want my trades to go in. So I've chosen it technically. And then guess what happens? We don't get weak CPI data as expected. We get positive CPI. So what that provides is a short-term swimming against the tide, which can provide us an opportunity, if we're not short, to get short from a more significant level. Let's take a look at this 4-hour chart on the US dollar index. Now, I was talking to Luca here, a technical market analyst, in a webinar a few days ago saying this 103.30 level is where I'd love to be a seller. But as you can see on the chart here, price was well below that. And it also coincided with a daily level of support in a downtrend that could act as resistance. And it's also a 62 fib retracement level. Okay, so I had a few reasons why I wanted to continue to short US dollars at this particular level. Now, the positive news event provided the opportunity, okay, for price to get up there. Rather than praying I get a corrective phase in this trend to come back so I can get short, the positive news event rallied up to this particular spot where I was therefore able to look at previous support acting as resistance, a 62 fib retracement level on the 4-hour, and an opportunity to continue trading in line with the trend, but using the news event as an opportunity rather than a uncertainty. Because remember folks, if you're swimming against the tide, you will drown.